Are you ready for a walk, Zoo? Are you ready? Are you ready to go for a walk? Huh? Okay, so we are now at the park. Look at how beautiful the park looks. What a rainy, gloomy day. But people are still doing their thing. Earthlings. They are playing some soccer down over there. Zoo is happy to be at the park. Zoo! Zoo! Are you happy? Come on. This is like our daily walk. This is like our daily walk routine. Zoo, are you having a good time there? No. Are you having a good time? Ew. Friends over there. These little dogs. Where's Muffin? Where's Muffin? Today's such a gloomy day. There's like nobody at the park. We kind of started off our, hey, don't do that, our walk kind of late today. We usually like to go early in the morning, sometimes even as early as 6:30. And usually the other puppies come out around 2, 3 o'clock, all the way to 5, 7 sometimes, if it's a really nice summer's day or a hot day. But today it looks like it's going to rain, so I don't think that people are too happy to take a walk to the park in fear that they might get rained on. I think that when I go home today, after the walk, of course, we always do a bit of cleaning. I gotta take a shower, and then I think I'm gonna do a makeup haul. I've been actually collecting a lot of really cool makeup that I like to show, and some lip glosses and all that sort of stuff. You know me, my other channel, Forever Unwrapped. I like to show a lot of lip glosses, and I think I'm going to be doing some DIY videos as well. Well, ever since I was 2, I have had Zoo. Or Zoo came down, I guess. I've been really into, you know, dog accessories and dog products. Ways how to, I guess, actually what I've been really researching is just ways how to beat fleas and pesticides on your dog. And I've been actually what happened was I saw him scratching the other day, and I was like, what happened? You know, we just, you know, went with your shots, and then I just realized that actually I'm supposed to get, actually every 3 weeks I'm actually supposed to put like the stronghold at the back of his neck, so then I can repel fleas. Especially we like to walk in the park a lot, so that's where fleas like to hang out. And basically we have to be really up on top of our flea treatments. So now what I did, I went to the store and I bought some more flea treatments, and I bought the carpet room spray, and then also too I spray him. Sometimes I spray him before we go outside for a walk. I do that probably like every 2 to 3 times a week. If it's a really hot week, then I would do maybe 3 times, because I know that fleas are really active. I wonder what that guy's doing there. How cool. Or I wonder if he's cleaning them or what he's doing. But anyways, yeah, and also too, he likes to sniff in little areas. I guess all dogs like to sniff in little areas, but you know, we have to be really on top of our flea treatments. The other day, Zoo, he was really naughty. Sometimes he has a very smelly, stinky habit of when he sees, or when he sniffs another dog's poop, he just absolutely goes haywire and wants to roll and bathe in it. And I don't know why he would do that, but I've actually been researching on behavior like that, and they said that it's an ancient behavior where dogs like to mask themselves in another dog's feces. I don't understand why, but I was really upset. He's done this about 3 times, where after a long walk, of course, instead of going home to relax, I have had to give him an instant bath and scold him. So hopefully he doesn't do this type of behavior anymore. We've talked about it. And I hope that honestly it's gotten through to him. Sometimes, you know, we are best friends, but sometimes he doesn't like to, when he smells a certain sort of scent that really he enjoys, I guess, he, doesn't listen to me. And, oh, again? You have a lot, don't you?